Hello again, this is Tom from eDirectory. Thanks for checking out our Getting Started video series. In this video I'm going to cover how to add a logo. In addition to that, you're going to see how to add a default image and a favicon because they are all in the same section. So let's log in and get started. So we're going to begin in the Site Manager area of our directory. So we're in the Admin Dashboard area here. We're going to go ahead and start to add our logo. To start, we're going to head over to the configuration section here, and this will take us to the basic information area in this section. As you can see here, we have the area right up top to add our logo. So we can choose a logo image here. We recommend that it's 330 by 50 pixels, and that you keep it under 1.5 megs. We accept most image file types except for an animated GIF that won't be supported. So let me pull up what the front end of our directory would look like after a fresh install. As you can see, it's pretty blank here. We do put in a demo directory logo as the default, as well as this background image here. So this is the area we're going to affect by changing our logo image right now. So let's go in and add a file. Let's see. So I have a logo for a travel directory, and if I put that in there, it's going to tell me to save my changes before anything can be added. So let me save those, and there it is. And you see a bit of a preview here, and then we can go over to refresh the front end now of our directory site and check out our new logo that's up there for our travel directory. You may have noticed that back here in the Site Manager, the logo changed and updated as well there, so that's great. These recommendations are fairly the same for your default image as well as your favicon. We recommend the pixel size here, default image 300 by 150, favicon 16 by 16. The favicon is the very small icon that shows up in your browser window. Usually it's just a small version of your logo, a little bit of branding there. So these are typically the same. This is our default image. Let's go in and save that and check out a preview of that. So the default image is an image that's going to show up in case someone adds an item where there is an image area and they just don't include that. So someone adds a listing and does not include a photo for that. You can put one. Since this is a travel directory, we're just going to put a blank sort of landscape here. So it still looks nice and still matches the branding of my site in case someone doesn't put anything, and it's better than showing up a blank image there. The favicon, let's go the same here. So this must be in the .ico format. It's shorthand for an icon file. Now you can actually rename a PNG file, just change the end of it to .ico, and it will function in the same way. But make sure it's this really small size. So a little favicon there, load that in, save the changes there. So those were successfully changed. So let's go back to our front end here. We don't have any listings to show a sample of the default image, but if I pull down this browser tab, you can see on the top here we have this favicon now, a little T for our travel directory, so that's what we were able to add, update a little bit of branding. So there we are. We have our main logo image, our default image, and a favicon added to our site. If you have any questions, just reach out to us. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.